Meaning of grow bag.
Grow bag.
Grow bag.
Grow bag.
Grow bag. A grow bag is a small, portable bag filled with soil for growing plants in a controlled environment. The bags typically have pre-mixed soil and nutrient content to provide the ideal growing conditions for various plants. Grow bags are commonly used in urban gardening, small-scale farming, and home gardening as they are compact, flexible, and easy to use. They come in different sizes and are suitable for growing a variety of crops like tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, herbs, and flowers. Grow bags also offer improved drainage, which helps to prevent root rot and other soil-borne diseases that can harm plants.